In this question, they are given that difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years on the same sum at 5% per annum is rupees 240. So we have to find out the sum. So as they are mentioned the difference, so we'll get CI minus SI is rupees 240. Time period they are given as 2 years and rate of interest is 5% per annum. This we'll do by the assumption method. So first we'll assume the principal. Let the principal be rupees 100. So first we'll find the SI. So SI is P into R into T upon 100. Principal is already, we are assumed 100. Rate of interest is 5%. Time is 2 years. And this 100 get cancelled. So interest earned is rupees 10. Now we will find the CI. So for CI, this is amount minus principal. First we'll find the amount. Amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power T. Principal is 100. Here it is 1 plus rate is already given 5% and time is for 2 years. So finally it is 100. This is 105 upon 100 and as there is the square, it is 2 times. So here this 100 get cancelled. 105 square is 11,025 divided by 100 it is. So finally amount will get as 110.25 rupees. So CI on this is 110.25 minus principal was 100. So it is rupees 10.25. Now we'll find the difference. So CI minus SI is 10.25 minus rupees 10, that was 0.25 rupees is the difference. Now we'll use the unitary method. So CI minus SI is the first column and second column is principal. So if CI minus SI is 0.25, then principal was 100. So if CI minus SI is 240, then this will be X. Now we'll use the unitary method. We'll make here cross multiplication. So X into 0.25 gives us 100 into 240. And further it is X is 100 into 240 divided by 0.25. So first to remove this decimal, we have to use more 100. By using this 100, this became 25. So 25 4s are. So finally X is here 24 4s are. We'll get 96 and 3 zeros further. So X was 96,000. So therefore principal is rupees 96,000. In this sum it is given that in what time will a sum of rupees 48,000 amount to rupees 55,566 at 5% per annum compounded annually. So now see, here principal is given rupees 48,000. Even amount is also given, that is rupees 55,566. Rate of interest is given 5% per annum and here time we have to find out. We'll write the formula for amount. So amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 and power is T. Already we know amount is given 55,566 is equals to principal is given 48,000. 1 plus rate is given 5% and time is not mentioned. In this sum first we'll shift this. So it will be 55,566 divided by 48,000 and that is equals to, this is 105 upon 100 is the power. Now it will go by 3, it is 8. So finally we got here 9261 is the 21 cube and 8000 is the 20 cube. 21 upon 20 the whole cube and that is equals to, this side also there is 21 upon 20 to the power T. As base is same, so we'll get T as a 3. So time period we got as. Now see, in this sum it is given that what is the rate percent. So rate we have to find out. Will a sum of rupees 18,750 amounts to rupees 21,870 in 2 years. So according to the compound interest formula, A is P 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power T. So see here, amount is already given 21,870. Principal is given 18,750 and inside the bracket this is 1 upon R upon 100 to the power 2. Now see, first we'll shift this, so it will be 21,870 upon 18,750, and that is equal to 1 plus rate upon 100 square. Now see the cancellations. First we'll cancel by 3. So finally it is 729 is 27 square and 625 is 25 square. So this is 27 upon 25 the whole square. So this will be 1 plus rate upon 100 of square. So square of the both side will get cancelled. So it is 27 upon 25. This one gets shifted here. So minus 1. This is rate upon 100. 27 minus 25 upon 25. So this side it will be rate upon 100. So 27 minus 25 is 2 is rate upon 100. We can cross multiply here. So 25R is 2 into 100. So now this 25 gets shifted. It is 2 into 100 upon 25. 25 4 is 100. So the rate is 2 4 is 8% per annum. So now in this sum, it is given that Arun borrows rupees 24,000. So for Arun, principal is rupees 24,000 and time is given here for the 2 years and rate of interest is 5% per annum. So according by simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So that is 24,000 into 5% for 2 years upon 100. So this 20 get cancelled. So it is, so 2,400 is the interest. So amount payable by Arun is, total amount is principal plus interest. So that is 24,000 plus 2,400 will get 26,400. So this amount is Arun pays to Brian. Now immediately he lends this money to Chand. So now for the Chand we'll solve. Again principal is same as 24,000. Time is given for 2 years and rate of interest is 5% per annum by compound interest. So amount is P, 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power T. Your principal is given as 24,000. 1 plus rate is given as 5% and for 2 years. So it is 24,105 upon 100. For square it is 2 times. So 2 0 get cancelled. One more 0 will cancel. And this is 521 ja. 5 2s are 10. And we'll cancel this by 2. So this is 212 ja. This is 12 into 21 into 105. So this amount we are getting as 26,460. As we have to find out Arun's gain in this transaction is 26,460 minus 26,400, and that is rupees 60. Now see, in this sum it is given that what sum amount is given rupees 11,025. Time period is given 2 years and rate is given 5% per annum. So as per the formula, we are having amount is P 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power T. Amount is already mentioned that it is 11,025. Principal is not given here. 1 plus rate is given as 5 upon 100 and time period is given as 2 years. So finally it will be like 11,025 is equals to P, and this became 105 upon 100 and it is a square. So now we'll shift this to this side. So it becomes 11,025 into, this becomes the reciprocal, 100 upon 105 square is equals to P. So now 11,025 into, this we can write as a 2 times, 100 upon 105 and 100 upon 105 equals to P. So now we go for the cancellation. It is 5 to the 10, 5 1s are 5, it is 5 to the 10, 1 left, 5 to the 10 again, so 2 0 and 5s are 25. So now further again we'll cancel it as a 5. So it is 5 4s are 20, 2 left, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Okay, and 21 square is 441. So both the 21 get cancelled from the denominator and 441 get cancelled. So finally, P we got as rupees 10,000. Now same this sum, the amount is given as rupees 4,452. Time is for 2 years. First rate is 6% per annum, and second rate is given as 5% per annum. So for this, we'll use as the formula for A, that is P, 1 plus rate upon 100, and here 1 plus R2 upon 100. So as amount is already mentioned, it is 4,452. Principal we have to find out. Here it is given 1 plus 6 upon 100, and another is 1 plus 5 upon 100. So 4452 is equals to principal, this is as 106 upon 100, and this will be as 105 upon 100. Principal is equals to 4,452 into 100 into another 100, and this both 106 and 105 comes in the denominator. So first we'll cancel this with 5. It is 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. This is 5 2s are and 20s are. Now it will go by 3, 3 7s are 21. So it is 3 1s are 3, 1 left, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, and 3 4s are 12. By 7 it will go 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, and 7 2s are 14 again. 106 2s is 212, so it is 1s, and this will go by 2s. So finally principal we got as 2 into 20 into 100. So that is 4,000.